Hello Children's House 1. I hope you're having fun with your family at home and enjoying meals together. I loved seeing some of the emails and pictures of you all doing food prep. But I'm going to show you another way that you can help prepare meals and set the table for your family. We're going to fold some napkins into 4 different arrangements. Are you ready? Come on over. We have our plates and our napkins and an oilcloth ring that we'll be using as our napkin ring. The first one I'm going to show you kind of looks like bunny ears. Now we'll be using 2 napkins for this. First thing we'll do is lay one on top of the other, a little bit above and to the left, just like that. Have it pointing to you, and then we can start rolling. Now watch. We're going to fold it in half. And fit this side through. Just like so. And then I like to kind of pull the tops apart just a little bit. It reminds me of a little bunny. That can be someone's spot to eat. Let's try another one. We're going to try and do a butterfly. Watch. Now underneath, you should see a little bit that you can pull out on both sides. Just the loose corners to pull out. And flip. smooth. Now we have a little opening in here. We are going to take the top point and try to fold it into that opening. And smooth. And if you pinch it together just a little bit, it should start resembling a butterfly. And we can put that right onto our plate. That can be another spot for somebody to eat. All right, we've got a couple more. This is called a fanned pleat. And our last one. We are going to try to make a rose together. Now we're going to start rolling. And we'll use this triangle to resemble the petals of the flower. Now we're going to roll up. Pat, pat, pat. Now, we have a little spot under here, if you can wiggle your finger in, to put the remaining bit of fabric. We'll try to tuck it all in there. It might be a tight fit. And then we'll take our little petals and we'll try pulling them apart. And hopefully that will sit nicely on our plate. So, here are a few ways you can fold your napkins to make a fun little arrangement on your table. The butterfly, the little bunny, the fanned pleat, and a rose. Thank you so much for watching. Jen and I are missing you all very much, and we can't wait until we can all be together again. And we hope to see you soon. Thank you.